Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for joining me in the shop. So this is one of my completed lake maps. Blue epoxy water, solid walnut frame, and I trim out the interior to give it a finished look. So stick around, I'm going to show you how I make these frames. So here's a frame I already made. These are just butt joints. This is what I make for my lake maps. This one's solid walnut. And I'm getting ready to route out a rabbet, which is a groove all the way around it on the back side. I use this marking gauge around 3/16 to a 1/4 inch from the back edge. What that does is kind of cut the wood fibers so that when I route out the rabbet, it has less chance of splintering onto the piece that the customer actually sees. So I do this on all my lake maps where I make the frame. It really helps. Let me know if you've ever done this. With the router, I only advance the cut about 1/8 of an inch each time. You don't want to take out that full cut because you'll definitely have chip out. So it takes me 2 to 3 times around this to get a clean cut. Now I've already cut to length and width of the rabbet on the back of the frame, and I rounded it off with my oscillating sander. So now I'm just going to staple it onto the back of the frame, and make sure you're using the correct length of staples. If you use the wrong size, they could poke out the front. Don't ask me how I know. I've run a few frames this way. After stapling the backs on, I use a quick 30-minute caulking and let it dry. And then I'll sand that off. Let's rinse and repeat. And then I'm ready to flip it over on this much larger frame. Then I wait 24 hours before I cut out the front or the top of the map. So this is a multi-day process. This is why these products really stand out. But they're also labor intensive. If you made it this far in the video, comment below Cowabunga. I really appreciate you watching.